Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the solid-state drive SSD in your Surface 1983 and reinstalling the operating system. This step-by-step guide is designed to be clear and concise, ensuring you can follow along easily. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Torx screwdriver set, specifically T5 and T6 sizes, a plastic spudger for prying, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your device. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws or components. Begin by powering off your Surface 1983 completely. Disconnect any peripherals and remove the power supply. Next, using the T5 Torx screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back cover. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips that hold the cover in place. If you encounter resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed. With the back cover off, you will see the internal components of your Surface 1983. Locate the SSD, which is typically secured with a few screws. Using the T6 Torx screwdriver, remove these screws and gently lift the SSD out of its slot. Be cautious not to touch any other components during this process. Now it's time to install the new SSD. Align it with the connector and gently push it into place. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have support if needed. Next, we will clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This is crucial for maintaining optimal performance and preventing overheating. Once the cleaning is complete, it's time to reinstall the back cover. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace the screws using the T5 Torx screwdriver, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping. Now we need to reinstall the operating system. Connect your Surface 1983 to a power source and turn it on. You will need a USB drive with the Windows installation media. If you don't have one, we can assist with collection and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free. Insert the USB drive and follow the on-screen instructions to boot from it. Select your language preferences and click Next. Choose Install Now and accept the terms and conditions. When prompted, select Custom, Install Windows Only Advanced. You will see a list of drives. Select the new SSD and click Next to begin the installation. This process may take some time, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, your Surface 1983 will restart. Follow the prompts to set up your device. Finally, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Your Surface 1983 is now upgraded and ready for use, providing you with improved performance and speed. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.